Now, the topic before us is assessing skills and aptitudes. The career counselor helps you in self assessment. The career counselor helps you in identifying your strengths, weaknesses, values, and interests. The career counselor also helps you in assessing your skills and aptitudes. Now, the question arises, what is the meaning of skills? Skills refer to the individual's ability and capability to perform a particular task efficiently and effectively. If you are not in a position to perform a particular task efficiently and effectively, then you cannot be supposed to have the particular skill. Suppose you are having educational qualification as a HVAC technician, wherein you have got the certification of having passed as a successful technician who will do the job of a air conditioning repairing system. That is, you will be in a position to handle the work of air conditioning. Though you are having educational qualification, but if you are given the job to do the same, or you are not having any practical experience, you cannot be regarded as having a particular skill, because solely on the basis of the education it cannot be understood that you are having the particular skills. So the skill is the combination of your academic knowledge, practical experience, and soft skills such as communication, problem solving, leadership, time management, and teamwork. If you are having appropriate skills, only then you can succeed to achieve the particular career goal. Understanding one's skill can help in identifying career options that require those skills. If you understand that these are the skills which you have, and on the basis of those skills, you can understand that you can perform better in a particular career. And you can also take the steps to improve your skills so that you can achieve your career goal. The career counselor can help you in understanding the skills which you are having. How they will understand that you are having the particular skills? They will use assessment tests, they will use conduct interviews, they will observe you, they will have discussion with you, and on the basis of all these techniques or methods, the career counselor will evaluate your skills, your natural talents, your intelligence, your personality. On the basis of the various techniques and methods used by the career counselor, the career counselor can also uncover hidden talents and interests which you are having, but you are not aware of the same. These tests may also throw light on the areas where there is need for additional training. That is those areas where you can take steps to improve your skills to achieve your career goal. Now we will try to understand the same with the help of an example. Sophia is a working woman, but she is not satisfied with her job. So she seeks the help of a career counselor so that he may guide her. The career counselor does the assessment tests, interviews, discussions with her, and on the basis of the assessments, the career counselor tells her that she is having strong interpersonal and organizational skills. After having come to know about these skills, she pursues a degree in master's degree in human resources, and after that doing her master's degree in human resources, she secures an internship in an organization, and ultimately she lands at a job as a HR manager in some reputed company. Now she is feeling the job satisfied, which is providing him satisfaction as a professional person, as well as his personal life is also satisfied because she is now having work life balance. The job is providing him satisfaction because it is based on his own skills, on her own skills. This example shows that if we do self skill assessment with the help of a career counselor, it can lead us to a successful career path. If we are uncertain about our career, though we may be doing some job, or we are initially in the initial years and we are yet to decide what we want to become in our in future, and we are unable to decide anything, then you can surely seek the guidance from career counselor, and they will guide you properly. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.